always say, ciao, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Hey everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So today I was in here in the kitchen working on my countertops, and I figured I'll just turn the camera on. I did that one over there, and I'll show you that in a few. But I wanted to get on and suggest that you know, you don't have the money right now, you're doing other projects in the house and you want to save a couple dollars. I found these brilliant tile stickers, and let's see if we can try to get the light. It's a little dark, I don't know what's going on, but I found these tile stickers, and they're from Life. This is not a paid promotion, I'm just sharing. You get about 50 stickers, tile stickers, for $37. However, I only have this one large cabinet, you know, shelf, so I only bought one pack thinking that it would fit, and right now I'm down to 2 packs. So I believe you get 10 in a pack, and they give you 5 packs when you order from Amazon. If you're interested, I will put the link down below. So once again, I'm just like refreshing my countertops. I've been working around the house, and of course, figured, you know, like I said, I was working on this project. I didn't feel like turning the camera on, but then I said, okay, let me turn it on, put a video up for the month of July. So all you do is just take this back paper off. And this is the hardest part, trying to get that back off. And you gotta work with it. Really long, I suggest you get someone to help you. And again, this is what it looks like. It is the marble with the gold, because that is the theme I am doing my kitchen in. And then all I'm doing is lining it up from the below tile. And just laying it out and smoothing it like so. I'm going to do 3 on the camera. Not going to be a very long video. And I read the reviews on these. Some people said they didn't like it because it wasn't a strong adhesive on the back. I don't know if they tried to, you know, add stuff to it, but I am finding these are really easy, and you can pick them up once you lay them down. Now, if I wanted this to be like a permanent fixture, I probably would use some type of more adhesive on the bottom of it. But like I said, this is just temporary, just to refresh the kitchen countertop. And that's it. I'm going to lay one more down. So I ordered another pack, but it will not be here until another week. So once I get it finished, I will I'll be back. And this is what it looks like, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You wouldn't even know that these are stick tiles by preference. And over here, this is what it looks like. Let me get this stuff out the way. Alright, so this is what the tile looks like when it is done. I have a smaller space, and I went, you know, down. I have to do that part right there. But look how beautiful that is. And then just a lovely display of how I'm going to have my kitchen. Now, as you know, I got this bee theme going on, but this is just for the summer. I am about to, I will be changing these out probably after Labor Day. Here it is here, and then I do have one more piece that I have to put down. So, yep, I am loving it. It's going to be fabulous. And once again, this is the before, what it looks like. Now I still have all of this over here to do. All right, so this is what the countertop looks like, this part here. And I'm gonna quickly do a quick spray of some cleaning stuff. Make sure I don't have any bubbles, nothing sticky on my countertops. And I'm just gonna wipe it down real quick. Okay, so when I did the other side of the countertop, I did 16 to my left, and I have still 1 pack and 4, so let's see if I'll have enough. So I'm always starting here down this way, and I forgot to tell you there's like a film cover on top, so once you lay it down you can pull it off. Once again, pull that off. And all I'm doing is just lining it back up with the first one that was laid down. Just pressing hard. You could probably use a squeegee or a credit card or something. But no air bubbles. And this is really, really nice, thick material. Pretty pricey, but I just didn't want to go with a full sheet of contact paper. I wanted to, to upgrade, make it look like it's original, like it belongs here. And over time, I will see how, durable this is and how long it lasts. As far as, water and food crevices. When I usually dice and chop my foods and stuff, I do use a cutting board, so I don't actually cut on my countertops. And see, as you can see, there is a sticky layer that you just pull right off. Just grab a corner, and it is shining really nice. So, being that I only have 14 and I needed 16 for the other side, I'm gonna work my way at the bottom. Just like so. Maybe have to mix it a little bit. And like I said, these are really easy. The only thing is just trying to get that paper off the back. Lay that down. So I'm hoping that I just have enough to fill this space right here until my other package comes. But, this took about an hour to do this, and I see a big difference already. The brightness in my kitchen. And it just looks, very nice, fabulous, and elegant. And being that I ordered 2 packs of these, the other one is not here, I can reiterate, so about $70 the total cost would be. Again, if you have, small countertops, it probably would be a little bit cheaper. But I still have to do behind me over there on the stove. So I am glad that I did order another pack. And this is real time. I'm not speeding up the camera or anything. Just lining it up and pushing down. Okay, so I got it put down. Look how beautiful it is looking, shining. Now again, once I said, reiterate, I didn't have enough to do that side because I'm waiting for the packages. But overall, I think it looks fabulous. And I still have to do the border back there. But with everything, you know, staged and arranged, if you were coming to visit, you wouldn't even know that I'm missing some pieces. So we'll come over here. And these are 2 little pieces that I have left over. I'm going to put those up because I may have to do some patching. But look how pretty. Oh my goodness, it just looks, I love it. Now, like I said, I have to still come over and do, you know, the 2 sides where the stove is. And I'm figuring probably about 8 pieces and 8 pieces for over there. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, oh my goodness, I am just like, wow, very pretty. And as I was filming, my box came and I just threw this up on the wall. This is going to be my backsplash. It is the marble with the gold in there. So I'll be doing a video soon, put that up so you'll be able to see, you know, how that came together. It'll be done. But overall, just wanted to get the video out, you know, while I was doing it, so I didn't forget to record. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all soon. Bye-bye.